Hi, I'm AIden. We tell a lot of jokes on 1 Minute Talk Show, but the biggest fucking joke of 2020 is this goddamn coronavirus. Today on the show, I'm gonna be going out on the streets, asking people to cough in my face to prove that the coronavirus is not real. Follow me. Yes, it is known New York has over 150 cases of the coronavirus. It is one of the most populated cities with cases of the coronavirus, almost 20%, and I will prove them wrong today. The coronavirus is just a bunch of made up bullshit by liberals and fucking Gen Z.
So for every 10 Tron episodes, AIden gets one episode where he chooses the topic and whatever he wants to do. So he's just doing nonsense now. I don't really care. I hope he gets whatever he's looking for.
Yeah, for every 10 Sean episodes, we get to do one AIden episode. This is what we fucking get for standing with Hong Kong. And we're giving into this shit? We're letting our kids leave school early? We're canceling fucking March Madness? Fuck that. I'm gonna disprove the coronavirus and get March Madness back on the air. Excuse me, sir, would you cough in my face? Yeah, that's what I thought. Excuse me, sir. Yes. I want you to cough in my face right now.
Nah, bro.
Yeah, that's what I thought. People are just really working to cure the fucking coronavirus. That's it, everybody. It's all made of bullshit. Yeah, we're giving people jobs for this nonsense. It's full of shit.
Yeah, I'm really not sure what his goal is. I mean, we already know the coronavirus is indeed real, so he's only really putting himself in harm's way, asking people to cough on him. But you know what? God bless him.
A line of people all waiting to cough in my face. Excuse me, man, would you cough in my face? That's what I thought. Would you cough in my face? Thank you. Again, look, I'm totally healthy. The coronavirus, bullshit. Fucking bitches, man. Gen Z, liberals, think you're so cool because you get 3 months off from school. Here's your rail. Known to conduct illnesses within your body. Cough in my face right now. You won't. You won't. Cough in my face. Yeah. I dare you. That's what I'm thinking about America today.
By the way, in these wacky times of ours, it's important to stay safe. I love Airhead strawberry scented hand sanitizer. What makes Airhead so great? Well, I'll tell you. 1, kills 99% of germs and bacteria. 2, smells wonderful. That's that nice sweet strawberry scent that we all love. And 3, it's your favorite Airheads candy, which means, man, this is what got me through my parents' divorce.
This is what I think of liberals and Democrats today. Coronavirus, just a bunch of garbage. Excuse me, man, would you cough in my face? Would you cough in my face? Bullshit. Cough in my face if you're so scared. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah! Yes! This is what I'm talking about. This generation isn't forgotten. There's still some good-hearted citizens.
I kind of agree with what Aiden's doing, you know. Somebody's got to get out there and spread the news, but I think he's kind of wasting his time. Like, COVID-19, it's pretty bad, but what about COVID-20? The number could get bigger.
Will somebody cough in my face? Nobody's gonna cough in my face. I don't know why Americans are too afraid to just cough in my goddamn face. They don't want to face the truth. The coronavirus is just a bunch of bullshit. Made up by leftist liberals and conservative. I'm a conservative in this? Never mind.
Yeah, Aiden was really never Republican like that. I don't know what got into him. I guess he just wanted to be different or something. I don't know.
God, will somebody please just cough in my face? My girlfriend broke up with me and I just want to get corona. Because I don't feel there's a point, man. 3% morality rate, I'll take it, bro. I think I could get that shit up to 50% if I really try. Somebody just cough in my face. I don't want to. Why are you still recording me? Why? Just leave me alone, man. I just want to. No, seriously, just leave me alone, man. No, dude, stop, please. Cough. Why won't anybody cough in my face, man? Would you cough in my face? No. Nobody will cough in my face. Would you? You're just a fire hydrant, how could you? It's such a shame. Man, would you cough in my face for me? No. That's the problem with America today. They're too afraid to just let someone die when they should die. I should just die. It's all a bunch of bullshit. This is the problem with America today. Just these goddamn motherfucking honky liberals think they're too good. That's right, I'm 2% Middle Eastern. The coronavirus, just a bunch of bullshit.
So, that guy that coughed in Aiden's face, it's kind of hard to say, but Aiden has actually contracted the coronavirus, and he is dead. So, I guess every episode's gonna be a Sean episode now.
Yeah, so I was following Aiden around with this camera, and I'm kind of worried for my own safety. I feel like maybe I could have caught something when that guy coughed. I mean, Aiden's, dead. So I'm a little bit